Let them move around a little bit, son, and get them on film. Set up, Tori, so you ain't taking up the whole picture. You want to see which is prettiest, the dogs or y'all? The dogs got neater hair. Look up here, Abigail, Tori. Yep, dogs are prettier. Let them move around a little bit. I don't want to picture them just laying there sleeping.
They won't move around. They need to see what. Here, come on. Come on, Joey, you're turn off my foot. You're turn off my foot.
Yeah, 'cause that's too tough a job Abby can do.